Okay, we're going to unlock. I'll show you how it all happens. I'll give you a key. And the first thing that we do here... Oh, hang on. Well, they're not meant to be like that. Someone probably hasn't locked them. So you would put this in, turn the key, and now it does get stuck a bit, so you have to push your finger in, press on that to get it... Oh, sorry, you have to press it down to pull it out. So I think these are not locked. So you do that on the other side. And then you come on over, 2113, they will open, and then you come on over to the side, same code, okay, and then this one here as well. Hang on a minute. Someone hasn't locked up properly. System off. Okay, anyway. Alright, then you come in here, turn the light on there. Walk on down the hall. And out of courtesy, this is the light for the female toilet. Okay. Pull this open. And the way to lock the door, press down the top one, and to unlock it you press that one and that will close it. Okay, then we come around here, turn on the lights, turn the fans on to 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Oh, yeah, these ones too. Light, 3, 3. Okay, then we put the aircon on. We walk over. Very simple. On. Now, a lot of the time it'll default to 24. I like to have the fan on high. Now you can turn it up and down. So high, turn it over. I do 22 to cool it right down. Okay. Let's get all of them. So there's another one in the next one. Oh, let's see, 24. We want that low. 22. Okay, got another one. So it really doesn't take that long to do set up. Oh, someone left that on too, that's annoying. Okay, so that. 22. Oh, that's annoying. 20, come on, 22, okay. All right, now, show you the stereo. Okay, we walk on through. And in here, we want to find the aircon remote, because we need to do these ones up here. Don't forget these ones. So I want to check that this one, again, we want 22 and fan high. So that one's on. 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 Okay, that's all the aircon's on. And then I just put this, you can either put it back up there, or I just put it here to remind me to turn it off. And then finally, this tiny little remote. It's going to turn the fans on. Now these ones currently are not working for some reason, so the only one here has a red light. And then you press on, okay? And then that'll be on. And again, I just put it next to here. Now with the speaker, I recommend just bring your own little portable speaker, or you can plug into the audio input here. If you're going to do that, you just turn this dial here, and that will turn all of this on. Up here is your volume control, okay? So that's why it might be easier just for you to use your own speaker. Okay, now storeroom coming on through at the back. Okay, light here. This is where I'll have my trolley and the boxing gear and any other knickknacks as well. Okay, that's it. Alrighty.